Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys the MPG that I get every week from my VW Golf Max 7 2013 plate. So I'll be filling the tank up and then using it from Monday to Friday for driving lessons. Bearing in mind, on each day I'll probably doing about 10 hours daily. So we'll see what I get on each day. And just so you know as well, so this is going to be fully city. So there's no motorway drive in this. It's all going to be in London. So all in town or city or whatever you want to call it. Also bear in mind that the car I'll be using is a 1.6 liter TDI diesel Max 7 Golf, not the petrol. So just so you have an idea of what kind of area I'll be driving in. So the lessons are going to be taking place in southeast of London. So it'll be within Bermondsey, Peckham, Camberwell, Deptford, Elephant Castle, and maybe Herne Hill and Denmark Hill. So these are the whole area I'll be covering, and including Lewisham as well. So this is Monday morning, the 24th of May. I've just refueled the car and I'm actually recording this from Tesco's forecourt. Now the predicted range is 525. Now this is obviously impossible. Typically on a highway and all that, I would achieve about 400, 450, and sometimes for 350 upwards, depending on the traffic. But this test is going to be in town and in city, so that's what it's all about. So yes, I'll be coming back again now at the end of the day so that we get through what we achieved for the day. So I've just completed my first lesson of the day, which lasted for 2 hours, and I did about 17 miles, and that already left me with 485 miles of predicted range left. So that means I've lost 40 miles of range from the predicted range, when I've actually only done 17 miles. But surprisingly, if you look at it, you'd see that I've got 37 miles per gallon of fuel. So that's what I've been averaging for that 17 miles, which is actually good for 2 hours of slow driving in the city. So guys, this is the end of day one, Monday the 24th. So at the end of today, I've done 61 miles in total and just exactly about 10 hours for the day, and average speed has been 6 miles per hour, and the average miles per gallon is 32.2 miles per gallon. So if you see, we've got 405 miles of range predicted left, so that really means we've lost 120 miles from the 525 predicted range. But that's okay, because we've been doing the driving in the city. So 61 miles for 10 hours drive, and 32.2 miles per gallon is not bad. So we'll come back tomorrow again and then we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so this is day 2, and as you can see, I've done 2 lessons already, which is taking me about 4 hours, and those 2 lessons is covered 41 miles. So today's lessons, I've actually been with two of my pupils who are within their intermediate level, so they're quite driving faster than the normal. And this time the miles per gallon is actually more accurate. So we've done 41 miles, and we've lost just about 45 miles on the predicted range, so just about right. And you can see that's because the miles per gallon is 42.8 miles per gallon and 9 miles per hour on average speed. So yeah, we'll come back by the end of today and we'll see how it goes. So day 2, Tuesday the 25th. So guys, we've come to the end of today, and today I covered 5 lessons which lasted 2 hours each, so that's 10 hours altogether, and total of the day was 11 hours. So that would include the travel times in between each lessons and all of that. So total mileage for the day was 78 miles from the start of the day. So when you see since start, that's obviously from the beginning of today. So miles per gallon on average was 36.8, and average speed is 7 miles an hour. So we'll come back tomorrow again. And oh yeah, the predicted miles is going lower now. So we've got 275 left. But remember, we've covered under 78 miles today. So yeah, see you back tomorrow on Wednesday. Hello guys, welcome to another day. So today is Wednesday, the 26th of May. Now, today I've done just 3 lessons, so which is 6 hours. Now, what happens with that is because I've only done 6 hours and I've had a couple of hours in between the 3 lessons where I've not been doing lessons, so I've actually been idling the car with the engine on. So that's why it's taking 10 hours even though I've done 3 lessons, and that would definitely affect the miles per gallon. So if you see there, this is the lowest I've had so far through the whole week. So 29 miles point, I mean, so 29.2 miles per gallon, which is because of the idling. So if you idle your car for so long, you would drop a lot of your range. I mean, sorry, of your fuel economy. So yeah, and we've got 190 miles of a predicted range to go. So yep, 47 miles for today, and 190 miles left on predicted range. So we'll come back tomorrow on Thursday and see again. Hello guys, today is Thursday, so the 27th, and it's day 4. Now I forgot to show you guys my fuel bar yesterday, so I wanted to let you see what we've actually got at the end of day 3. So I took the picture this morning before starting. So after the end of day 3, we had half of the fuel left, right? Now, from what I've noticed with my experience with the Golf, the fuel tends to last longer on the higher part of the fuel. So the first half is always longer, but the other half goes quicker. I mean, sorry, quickly. So bear that in mind. So we've got 190 miles for the first half. Now we definitely will not be making another 190 miles on the second half, and this is always like that from my experience. So if you manage to get 200 on your first half of the tank, don't expect to make another 200. It just wouldn't work from my experience. Maybe yours might, but mine doesn't. So guys, we've come to the end of day 4. Now I've done 73 miles today, 10 hours and 28 minutes. And that's over 4 lessons. So 4 lessons of 2 hours each. And then miles per gallon on average was 37.3 miles. So it's actually been a good day, less traffic. And I believe I went on the dual carriageway today for about maybe 20 minutes or so for the whole day. So that kind of helped a bit. Now I've got 100 miles of predicted range left. So if you remember earlier in the morning, it was 190 miles left, but I've lost 20 or so miles, or 17 miles from what was predicted before. Because I mean, if you say we've got 73 today. Hello guys, so today is the final day of the test, so our MPG test. Now today I only did 2 lessons because today is my half day, it's Friday, so I finish early. So I did 37 miles for the whole lessons and 6 hours and 10 minutes. So 6 miles per hour on average speed and 31.9 miles per gallon on average. So if you see right now, our predicted range is 50 miles remaining on the tank. Now that's what it says, but I pretty much are very sure that we'll probably be getting a little less than 50. But if I was to go on the dual carriageway, or if I was to go on the motorway, I'd get more than that 50. So yeah, but anyway, so in total so far we've got 302 miles for the 5 days. Now if we recap our journey for the week, so 10 hours of drive on Monday, about 11 hours of lessons on Tuesday, another 10 hours on Wednesday, then I believe 10.5 hours on Thursday, and then 6 hours and 10 minutes on Friday. So all of that in total of 48 hours and 6 minutes is definitely not bad at all. definitely not bad, and we still have about another 50 miles left on the tank. So if we add that all together, we're probably looking about 340 miles for that full tank. So if you look at it, I paid 58.93 pounds on Monday for a full tank. So for that, we got about 340 miles of range from the VW Golf Max 7 2013 plate. So for me, that's pretty good. So I hope this really helps you to make a decision if you want to use this or not. But if you're an instructor, I definitely would recommend this car if you're thinking of it. But if you're not and you're just thinking of it for something else, then yeah, it's a good car. It drives well, beauty is very good. But yes, it's time for it to go now, and I'm moving on to ID.3. So I'm going to be leaving the Golf and I'm going to ID.3. So look out for more videos on the ID.3 because I'm going to be making some comparison or some comparison, sorry, on the economy on that one as well. And I'll be making few or a lot more video on my experience with the ID.3, and I look forward to it a lot. So I'll be picking it up on Monday. So in case you're looking out, I might put some videos of it up on Monday or Tuesday, and we can follow up from there. So yes, guys, I hope this has been useful and helpful to you. And sorry it took long. I was just trying to do the daily thing. So if the video is too long, I hope you manage to find yourself to the end of it, or you skip to the end, however. So don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, share, comment, and leave comment below, and anything at all, let me know. I'll get back to you. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.